Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Tkinter is a popular GUI, graphical user interface, library for Python. It provides tools to create windows, widgets, and handle events. In this tutorial, we will explore the create_rectangle method in tkinter's canvas widget. This method allows you to draw rectangles on a canvas within a tkinter window. Before you start, ensure that you have Python and tkinter installed on your system. Tkinter is included with most Python installations, but if you don't have it, you can install it using. Let's start by creating a basic tkinter window with a canvas widget. The canvas widget is used for drawing shapes and images. This code sets up a window with a canvas of size 400 x 300 pixels. Now, let's add functionality to draw rectangles on the canvas using the create_rectangle method. The method takes 4 arguments, representing the coordinates of 2 opposite corners of the rectangle. This code adds a button to the window. When clicked, title: A Beginner's Guide to Creating Rectangles with Python tkinter. Introduction. Python tkinter is a powerful library for creating graphical user interfaces, GUIs. One of its essential features is the ability to draw shapes on a canvas. In this tutorial, we will focus on creating rectangles using the create_rectangle method in tkinter. Prerequisites. Before we begin, make sure you have Python installed on your machine. Tkinter usually comes pre-installed with Python, so no additional installations are required. Creating a basic tkinter window. Let's start by setting up a basic tkinter window. Save this code in a file, example rectangle_tutorial.py, and run it. You should see a simple empty window titled tkinter rectangle tutorial. Creating a canvas. Now, let's add a canvas to our window. The canvas is where we'll draw our rectangle. This code adds a canvas to the window with a width of 400 pixels and a height of 300 pixels. Drawing a rectangle. Now, let's use the create_rectangle method to draw a rectangle on the canvas. In this example, create_rectangle takes 4 parameters, x1, y1, x2, y2. These represent the coordinates of the top left and bottom right corners of the rectangle. The fill parameter specifies the color of the rectangle, in this case, blue. Adding interactivity. Let's make the rectangle interactive. We'll bind a function to a button click that changes the color of the rectangle. In this example, the change_color function randomly selects a new color from a list and updates the rectangle's fill color. Python's tkinter library provides a simple way to create graphical user interfaces, GUIs. One of the essential components of GUIs is drawing shapes, and create_rectangle in tkinter allows you to draw rectangles on a canvas. This tutorial will guide you through the process of using create_rectangle with a practical code example. Make sure you have Python and tkinter installed on your system. Tkinter is included with most Python installations, so you typically don't need to install it separately. This code creates a basic tkinter window with a canvas. Now, let's move on to drawing rectangles on this canvas using create_rectangle. In this example, we've added a button that, when clicked, calls the draw_rectangle function. The create_rectangle method is used to draw a blue rectangle on the canvas. Adjust the coordinates, x1, y1, x2, y2, to change the size and position of the rectangle. Congratulations! You've learned how to use create_rectangle in tkinter to draw rectangles on a canvas. This basic example can serve as a starting point for more complex GUI applications involving graphics and user interactions. Explore further by adding more features, colors, or shapes to enhance your tkinter applications. ChatGPT. Title: Creating Rectangles in Python tkinter with create_rectangle. Introduction. Python tkinter provides a powerful canvas widget that allows you to draw various shapes, including rectangles. The create_rectangle method is used to draw rectangles on the canvas. This tutorial will guide you through the process of using create_rectangle in Python tkinter with a code example. Make sure to import the tkinter module at the beginning of your script. Create the main application window using the tk constructor. Add a canvas widget to the window where you will draw the rectangle. Now, you can use the create_rectangle method to draw a rectangle on the canvas. The syntax is as follows. Here's a complete example that creates a tkinter window, adds a canvas, and draws a rectangle. By following these steps and using the create_rectangle method, you can easily draw rectangles on a tkinter canvas in Python. Customize the coordinates and options according to your requirements for creating dynamic and interactive graphical applications. ChatGPT. Tkinter is a powerful library in Python for creating graphical user interfaces, GUI. It provides various widgets and tools to build interactive applications. In this tutorial, we'll focus on using the canvas widget in tkinter to create rectangles using the create_rectangle method. Make sure you have Python and tkinter installed on your system. Tkinter is included with most Python installations, so you may not need to install it separately. Let's start by creating a basic tkinter window and a canvas to work with. Open your favorite code editor and create a new Python script, example rectangle_tutorial.py. This script creates a window with a canvas of size 400 x 300 pixels. Now, let's add a rectangle to this canvas using the create_rectangle method. Here, we've added a function called create_rectangle_example that creates a tkinter window, a canvas widget, and a rectangle on the canvas using create_rectangle. The parameters, 50, 50, 200, 100, and 50, specify the coordinates of the rectangle's top left and bottom right corners. Feel free to adjust the coordinates, colors, and other parameters to customize the appearance of your rectangle. You've learned how to create rectangles in tkinter using the create_rectangle method. This is just a basic example, and tkinter provides many other options and features for creating interactive GUI applications. Explore the tkinter documentation for more details and possibilities. Tkinter documentation. ChatGPT. Certainly. Let's create a simple tutorial on using Python's tkinter library to create rectangles using the create_rectangle method. This tutorial assumes you have a basic understanding of Python and have tkinter installed. Start by importing the tkinter module. If you don't have tkinter installed, you can install it using the following command. Now, you can import tkinter in your Python script. Create the main window for your application using tk. Tkinter provides a canvas widget to draw shapes. Create a canvas inside the main window. Here, width and height define the dimensions of the canvas, and bg sets the background color. Use the create_rectangle method to draw rectangles on the canvas. The syntax for create_rectangle is: let's draw a couple of rectangles. Finally, start the tkinter event loop to display the window. Save the script with a .py extension and run it. You should see a window displaying two rectangles on a canvas with different colors. Feel free to experiment with coordinates and options to create various rectangles. ChatGPT.